Hello everyone! Welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right, learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Lila, I am tired. I am exhausted.
Why, Leo? Did you run a marathon?
No, I did something worse. I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, that explains why you smell like lemon detergent.
I spent 5 hours fighting with dust bunnies. It was a war.
Well, that is perfect, because today we are talking about house and chores.
Chores, my least favorite word.
We will learn the names of rooms and furniture.
We will learn verbs like sweep, mop, and vacuum.
We will learn the difference between make the bed and do the laundry.
And I will tell you the tragic story of the pink incident.
The time you ruined all your white shirts?
Shh, it is a painful memory.
Okay, let's start with where we live. Housing.
I live in an apartment, or flat in British English.
And I live in a house.
What is the difference?
A house is a building for one family, usually with a garden. An apartment is one unit in a big building.
My apartment is small. It is a studio.
A studio means the bedroom and living room are the same room.
Yes, I sleep next to my fridge. It is very convenient for midnight snacks.
Let's take a tour of the house, room by room.
First, the living room, or lounge.
This is where we relax. What furniture is in there?
The most important one, the sofa or couch.
Leo loves the sofa. He is a couch potato.
I am. I also have an armchair for one person.
And a coffee table.
And the TV, and a rug or carpet on the floor.
Next room, the kitchen.
My favorite room. It has a fridge, refrigerator,
And a stove or cooker to cook food, and an oven to bake cakes.
and a sink to wash dishes, and cupboards to put plates in.
Do you have a dishwasher?
No, I am the dishwasher. My hands are the machine.
That is the traditional way. Next room, the bathroom.
It has a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub,
And a mirror above the basin, sink.
where I look at my beautiful face every morning. Hello, handsome.
And finally, the bedroom.
It has a bed, obviously,
With pillows for your head and a blanket to keep you warm.
and a wardrobe or closet for clothes.
And a chest of drawers for socks and t-shirts.
I don't use the drawers. I use the chair method.
What is that?
I put all my clothes on one chair. It is a mountain of clothes.
Leo, that is messy. You need to organize.
It is organized. The dirty socks are at the bottom.
Ew, that leads us to part 2, chores.
Chores are the boring jobs we must do to keep the house clean.
Let's learn the verbs.
To clean, general word. I clean the house.
To tidy up. This means to put things in the right place.
Leo, tidy up your room. My mom used to scream this.
Now specific chores. What do you do with the floor?
If it's a carpet, I vacuum.
To vacuum. We use a machine called a vacuum cleaner. Vroom.
If it's a hard floor, wood or tile, I sweep.
You use a broom. Swish, swish.
And then I mop with water and soap.
To mop the floor.
What about the dishes?
We say do the dishes or wash the dishes.
I hate doing the dishes. The water's greasy. Yuck.
We also say load the dishwasher, put dishes in, and unload the dishwasher, take dishes out.
What about clothes?
Do the laundry.
This involves the washing machine.
And then you hang the clothes to dry or use a dryer.
And then the worst part, ironing.
To iron, to make the clothes flat and smooth with heat.
I never iron. I just wear wrinkled shirts. It is my style. The hobo look.
Very fashionable, Leo. What about the trash?
Take out the trash. Or rubbish, garbage.
It smells. Please take out the trash.
And making the bed?
Yes, make the bed. This means to arrange the pillows and blankets after you sleep.
Why? I will just sleep in it again tonight. It is a waste of time.
It is about discipline, Leo, and it looks nice.
Okay. What about plants?
Water the plants.
I try to water my plants, but usually I kill them. R.I.P. Mr. Cactus.
You killed a cactus? They don't even need much water.
I gave him too much love. I drowned him.
Oh dear.
Now, let's look at the grammar of chores. We use have to.
Have to means obligation. You have no choice.
I have to clean my room because it is dirty.
She has to do the laundry.
We have to take out the trash.
Question: do you have to work today?
Negative, I don't have to iron because I don't care.
You don't have to wash the car, it is raining.
Have to is very strong. It is a rule.
So, Leo, what do you have to do this weekend?
I have to fix my sink. It is leaking. Drip, drip, drip.
Home repairs. That is a whole other topic.
Yes, I tried to fix it yesterday with tape.
Did it work?
No, now my kitchen is a swimming pool.
We will talk about repairs and tools in the next part.
And I will tell you about the pink laundry disaster.
Stay tuned.
So, my kitchen is a swimming pool because the sink is leaking. What should I do?
You need to fix it, Leo. You need to do some DIY.
DIY? What does that mean? Destroy it yourself?
No, do it yourself. It means doing repairs without hiring a professional.
I tried DIY. I ended up with DI-cry.
To do repairs, you need the right tools. Do you have a toolbox?
I have a box. It contains a broken pencil and some tape.
You need a hammer to hit nails. Bang, bang.
I know the hammer. I usually hit my thumb. Ouch!
You need a screwdriver to turn screws.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That is how I remember which way to turn.
Exactly. And for your sink, you need a wrench to tighten the pipes.
A wrench? That is the big heavy metal thing. Cluedo weapon.
If the DIY is too hard, you need to call a plumber.
A plumber fixes water pipes and toilets.
And an electrician fixes lights and wires.
And the carpenter fixes wood.
And Leo fixes nothing.
Hey, I fixed my chair. I put a book under the short leg. Now it doesn't wobble.
That is not fixing, that is improvising. Now let's talk about cleaning supplies.
The chemical weapons we use against dirt.
You need a sponge to scrub.
You need a cloth or a rag to wipe dust.
You need a bucket to put water in.
You need detergent or soap.
And for the toilet, you need bleach.
Bleach is the strong-smelling liquid. Be careful, don't get it on your clothes.
Why? What happens?
It turns them white.
That brings us to adjectives. How do we describe the house?
If it is clean, we say clean.
If it is very clean, we say spotless. My kitchen is spotless.
Or tidy. My room is tidy. This is a lie.
If it is dirty, we say dirty.
If it is very dirty, we say filthy.
Look at your shoes. They are filthy. Take them off.
Or messy. My desk is messy. Papers everywhere.
Or dusty, when you touch the shelf and your finger becomes gray.
And cluttered. That means too many things, too much junk.
Leo, is your apartment cluttered?
No, I just have a lot of treasures, like my collection of empty pizza boxes.
That is trash, Leo, not treasure.
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Okay, let's move on to the main event. Story time.
Oh no.
Tell us about the laundry disaster, the pink incident.
It was a Sunday. I decided to be a responsible adult. I decided to do the laundry.
Good start.
I gathered all my clothes. I had a big pile of white shirts, my nice work shirts.
Did you separate the colors?
I thought I did. I put all the whites in the washing machine. I added the powder. I pressed start.
And then?
I went to watch TV. I felt proud. I am a domestic god, I thought.
But...
But I didn't see the red sock.
Oh no, the red sock of doom.
One red sock was hiding inside a white shirt, like a spy, an enemy spy.
So you washed white shirts with a red sock at high temperature?
Yes, hot water.
What happened when you opened the door?
I opened the machine and I screamed, "Ah!"
Why?
Everything was pink, bright bubblegum pink.
All your shirts?
All of them, my underwear, my towels, everything was pink.
So what did you do? Did you throw them away?